G'day guys, Greg here. Now listen, do you ever have any leftover fish and chips? It's probably something that you probably wouldn't have very often, but let me show you how I like to reheat mine using the old air fryer to get them back like they're just fresh straight from the fish and chip shop. Alright, so just pull the drawer out. We'll dump the fish and chips in. I like to keep the box because, well, I can reuse this later. Now I usually like to make it nice and hot, so about 200 degrees Celsius, and you want to cook that for about 5 minutes. Now it does depend on how thick your fish is and your chips are, so 5's a pretty good rule of thumb, although if it's a thinner, smaller serve, maybe only 4 minutes will be required. Alrighty, well the time is up. Have a look at that. Looks pretty good. And because I saved the box, I can just pour it straight back in there. And it's just like I've just come home from the fish and chip shop. Now, if yours came with a piece of lemon, you probably don't want to add that in because, well, it'll get cooked. But these chips, probably even crunchier than when I bought them. And this fish, beautiful. Well, there you go. I hope that helps you out, and I'll see you next time for my next quick tip. See you then.